Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lulila. In today's episode, we will be cooking palabok, my own version. Let's start cooking. I'm using this cornstarch sticks, which is the special palabok noodles. I bought it from a Filipino store in Taunton, and this is from my hometown, Cebu, Philippines. You can also use the rice noodles or the bihon for this recipe. Here is the instruction on how to cook this special palabok noodles. I've cooked it already according to the packet instruction, and I'm draining it, and I'll set this aside. We will use this annatto powder to give its orange color for our sauce. There's also other alternatives. You can use the annatto seeds or other food coloring that gives an orange color to our sauce. This pork cracklings, or we call it chicharron back home, is one of the toppings. It gives a lot of flavor to the palabok. We will need garlic and onion. Hard-boiled egg is another toppings that we are going to use. We will also need cooking oil, salt, and pepper. In the original recipe, it has tinapa or smoked fish, but instead, I am using bacon. And we will also need shrimp or prawn. These two ingredients are one of the toppings as well. Add oil to the pan and start sauteing your garlic. Place the garlic on a plate when it turns golden brown. On the same cooking pan, let's cook the bacon, and once the bacon is cooked, remove it and place it on a plate. And then start cooking your prawn or shrimp. And once it's cooked again, remove it and place it on a plate. Let's saute the onion on the same pan. If you need to add some more cooking oil, then you may do so. Then once the onion is cooked, it's time to add water. In the recipe, it says that you need to add shrimp cubes, but I don't have shrimp cubes, so I'm using pork cubes for this recipe. You may add salt and pepper if you want. I'm adding the annatto powder. One tip, please mix first the annatto powder with water, just like what you are doing with the cornstarch. I'm also using cornstarch here, add with water to thicken the sauce. It's time to add the cornstarch to the sauce and continue to stir it until the sauce thickens. Season it with fish sauce. I want a more thick sauce, so I will add one more ingredient for this. And I added breadcrumbs instead of flour. I put already the palabok on a serving plate, and I like the consistency of the sauce, and I'm going to put the sauce on top of the palabok noodles. Then it's time to add your toppings. We have here chicharron or pork cracklings, prawn, bacon, garlic, toasted garlic, spring onions, and hard-boiled eggs. We also need lemon, slices of lemon. And this is our finished product, our special palabok, my version. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.